One more time, we gather under the familiar spaces of our school where laughter once danced through the air. One more time, we celebrate these halls where every corner holds a memory. One more time, we get a glimpse of our classrooms where lessons still resonate and friendships were forged. One more time, we find ourselves on the field where cheers and shouts echoed. Get together for one goal: to celebrate unity, celebrate oneness.
One more